So this is what I've been using to kind of raise up the parts that I've been cutting, and now this just arrived, 300 by 500, and that should go down there. Ta-da! Looks like a kind of, there we go. So what I'll probably do is probably make some, probably bolt this down so that it doesn't go down. But you may be wondering why it doesn't quite go all the way. Well, the laser head doesn't travel all the way down, but most of my cutting will be done here. So that's why that is. So what I said is that I will probably end up, using some bolts to lock this down so that I can kind of calibrate it and make sure it's all square, and then use that to help do my cutting. But there it is. Ta-da!